This volunteer-led nonprofit is striving to feed kids in Denton during the holidays.
They may not know where their next meal is coming from when they go home from school. So right now we're here preparing for winter break.
On weekends, volunteers dedicate their mornings packing these boxes filled with food.
Any chance to serve the community that has served me so much is fantastic. So to know children are getting fed over the holiday season when they're not in school is really great.
But the need is greater than ever. With fewer donations this year, Lovepacs can only send kids home with half of the food they usually do.
Every break this year, we've served between 11 and 1,300 kids. We are struggling with donations a little bit this year. We're struggling with donations a lot this year, but we are here doing our best to pack as much as we can.
Despite these challenges, the boxes will bring more than sustenance. Each one is decorated and includes a handwritten note to uplift the kids' spirits.
It's important to remind people that it's not just giving them a box of stuff, it's coming with love, and it's the intention behind it.
There's no shame in asking for help, and we want them to just feel loved from their community.
Any act helps Lovepacs continue this mission, whether it's donating food or money, volunteering your time, or simply spreading the word.
Please keep us in mind. I know that it's a busy, expensive season. There's so much of Denton that doesn't know that we serve kids in their school. So just let people know that we exist, and maybe they can give $5. Maybe they can bring some boxed mac and cheese. So every way that you can help is great for us, and we appreciate it very much.
In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.